Are Philips Hue light bulbs causing disharmony in your home? Is there any disagreements about how to control them, what sequence of words to say to the voice assistant, whether it's okay to use the light switch on the wall, whether you have to use the app? And we've come up with a solution that helps resolve that. The RunLessWire Click for Philips Hue switch is a standard looking switch that communicates wirelessly with the bulbs. The Philips Hue switch can mount on a standard junction box, so it can cover up an existing switch. If you want to install it in a new location where there's not an existing switch, it includes command strips. The command strips can be installed so that the removal tab for the strip, if it ever needed to be moved, would be accessible through the back plate, showing the command strips going in, and that would allow you to then pull them to release from inside, and they're hidden once the switch is assembled. All the household members are able to use a standard light switch. It doesn't disconnect lights, so all the routines and everything continue to work and harmony is restored.